Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, let me introduce myself. Myself Priyanka Bande. And previously I used to post all the dance videos. If you have seen it, I appreciate that. And if you have not, please do see all my dance videos. And this will be a proper vlog. It will be a travel vlog. So as you know that I was posting all the dance videos only, I thought that let me start my journey as posting vlogs. Maybe it can be travel vlogs or day-to-day vlogs or anything. So whatever I explore in terms of traveling or in terms of anything, sorry guys, I was getting a call, so that video got stopped. I don't know why. So I was telling you that whatever I explore in my traveling journey or in day-to-day life experiences, I would like to share with you. So for that, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. So here we started. So I hope you enjoyed this and thank you in advance. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know this is my first proper vlog, but I thought better late than never. So this is my second weekend getaway, and I thought let's shoot it. So let's wait for the location. I'll let you know. It's not something new, but just to create some suspense, I'll would reveal it later. So yeah guys.
And I look my best, but girl, you need to let me rest. I'm sorry if I made a mess. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. Loves me when I look my best, but girl, you need to let me rest. I'm sorry if I made a mess. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you. I'm sorry if I'm still obsessed with you.
Guys, we have waited, we have halted at a place, a food court. So by the route you must have got to know the destination where we are going. So now it won't be a suspense. If not, then still wait for it. And yeah, so here is my sister. We are going together. We are having a family trip. So yeah, excited for it.
Just go ahead, there's nothing to hide. I'm so depressed, I'm not gonna lie, but your problems are bigger than mine.
Guys, so we are waiting on the highway. Actually ऐसे allowed तो नहीं है, but still सोचा कि थोड़ा time रुक ले. So I'll show you the view. You can see it's behind me and it's amazing. So guys, as you can see, it's raining right now, and look at the view. amazing, and the rain is making it more perfect. So I'm really excited for it and I'm enjoying a lot. Guys, this is the room. And this is the view. Hi guys, so this trip turned out to be a staycation mostly because it was raining a lot first of all in Lonavala, and the second most important thing was that section 144 was imposed, so all the points were closed, but still we managed to enjoy a lot. We got drenched in rain and we made a lot many videos. You can see the videos, I'll share the link in description, and here are some of the clips. So nevertheless, at least we are enjoying this corn in this rainy weather. It's raining a lot, but
तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया
we cannot help it. So yeah. Hi guys, we managed to look at this Lonavala Khandala lake. So take a look. Here we are enjoying this corn bhajis with this beautiful view. Just look at it. As you must have seen, the last clip was about enjoying the corn bhajis and that amazing, beautiful, romantic weather. So in this whole trip, we couldn't travel much because all the points were closed because of section 144, and so everything was restricted over there. But while coming back, we visited few places like lake and that point, that Khandala point, the mountain point. So yes, we enjoyed. At least we had good food. We were drenched in rain and we were dancing, enjoying the weather. I was romanticizing the life, the nature. So yeah, I can say that not much of traveling, but it was more of relaxation and staycation type. Also guys, I would like to suggest that if you pre-plan trips, it won't be that productive, because you never know that what will be the situation at that time when you are actually going to have the trip. So it's always better, you know, that you plan your trip on the spot, so that there won't be any what do you say, any inconvenience in your trip, because that was what I experienced through my you know, this plan. And actually I had done this planning only 2 weeks prior. Still we had to face this inconvenience, because everything currently is unpredictable. You never know what might happen, you know, which wave might come or what restrictions they might put it. So yeah, so because of that, this would be my, you know, little suggestion for planning your trips. Apart from that, I would say that, you know, I am planning to make more and more such videos, you know, such vlogs of travel or day-to-day vlogs. So please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope you liked it, and I would be meeting you soon. Thank you so much. Bye, stay tuned.